rains on the island, the fresh water will make its way here through various underground canals and pores. This can happen as both the island Barbados and the Great View see today, where they are made out of limestone, that porous rock. A very fun fact is that a couple million years ago, Barbados was a coral reef also. But due to the movement of the earth and its tectonic plates, we rose up water and become the island I will love today. Now sometimes it is possible to see some of the fresh water escaping through the reef and mixing with the salt. We humans can see this happening as it will give out there a very hazy look.
Wala naman ako nakikita. Puro maliliit na isda.
No, this will be due to difference in the water slipping
Walang malalaki.
and difference in their temperatures. Now, while we go along the reef, well, we will hope to see many wonderful fish. Some of there would include the Cree or wrasse. The Cree or wrasse will be a chubby little fish who will swim by flapping their fins in motion, similar to a bird flying. Now, some of those we can see are blue, but others will have a splash of yellow near the tails. It's actually very common to see male fish with bright colors compared to the females. The males use bright colors, well, to attract regular apart and to establish dominance. So the brighter the male, well, they have a better chance of finding true love. Nowadays, we can identify the slimmer or blue ones as the female Cree or wrasse, and those with the yellows in their bodies will be the males. Now the wrasse are what we call a dating fish. In the reef, the patrol service of it